Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today I will show you a proof of Pythagoras' theorem. The Pythagorean theorem says that in a right-angled triangle, a square is equal b square plus c square, where a is the length of the side opposite to the right angle and c and b are the length of the other two sides. In other words, the amount of paint you will need to fill a square of the side a can be also used to fill the paint on two squares, one with the side B and the other one with the side C. I will start creating a square with the side A by using triangles like this. I will make 4 copies to have 4 A sides. I will start with one triangle on the lower left side, this one here. I will need another side A here. So I will make a copy and put it here, and then one on the upper left, so this is that one, and another one here. Now this white space is my square with the side A. I will fill it with green and write down that it is A square. Now I need to use the same area, the same square, to split it in the two squares. I will start by sliding this triangle diagonally here, so I did it, and then this one down, and now I have a green area that is b squared. This side is b, this side is b, and if I slide this triangle to the right this way, I have my c square. So I have one square with the side C and another square with the side B, and I am using the same area for the A square. So A square is equal B square plus C square. So this is the proof of the Pythagorean theorem. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much. Bye bye.